morning. We're going to Bunnings because we wanted to try camping and we don't have any camping gears. So, samahan niyo po kami. Hello everyone, nasa Bunnings na kami and look at the Bunnings here, like City Hardware sa atin. Look. Ang laki niya guys, like hanggang dulo. Hanggang doon pa yan sa dulo. Lahat andito na. And ito ang shopping mall ng mga lalaki. Look at that. All kinds of Ooh. And it's so nice. Just tools. Buta nga na nag-tools, is it? That's nice. Look at these. Oh, so this is the kitchen that we wanted, right? Look, but it's nice. It's very nice. Yeah. Look at this. It's so nice too. And this one is nice too. This one is just a small one, but it's functional. No? Oh. Heaven ng mga nanay. Magandang kitchen. Oh my god, this is so nice. Look at this. This is what I want in our kitchen. It is nice. Look inside. No, it's not a fridge. It's it's so nice. So nice. This is what I wanted in No? So nice. And look at that. This is a bit like older version, no? Medyo old style. Yeah. But this is the one. Hello, uy. Wala jud mo malit ba, no?
Dali ra kaya ni kung gusto gid nimo.
But look at the price. It's 9,353. Lahat na to, all inclusive na. All of these. So it's $10,000. Which is not bad. Not bad. Kaya tanan-tanan na good siya with the sink, with it's all in the plan. Yeah.
Pero kung ka next, kada na sa Pinas.
Let's go, let's go. Singin din naman eh. Baka kunin ni Cookie, ni Mimi. No, I don't want this for any of them.
Nope.
No. Outdoor settings. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. Okay. Look. Look. Marquee. 89 lang. Ski. Ano to? Sleeping. Table. So small.
Nag-order na tayo.
Hindi pa kayo maabot. Nasa magan, pero. May kambing mattress. Puna mo sa tabo.
Gahan pa ni.
Huh?
Getting na.
Table? Portable na. Sige na, set up mo. Mga itong bed, $10. I-try nga nila to.
Ang wakan mo.
A few moments later.
So we are buying this. How much? $10. Card. Add to cart.
Ano itong? Very cheap.
Yeah.
Ay, okay po siya.
Kasi wala siya yung ano bag.
$6. Go.
Ano ka 11?
Oo. Wala siya butang nag-drinks na.
Ano? Table mo ko siya. Ika, lingko rin agad ito. Ano na? Adventure camp chair.
Ah, okay. Ay, pero luyot siya. Luyot naman yung pamatumpir atong green. No? Kaya wala siya nagkabimao. Let's find the perfect one. Bili ko gano'n na. Ay! Wait lang. Wait. Ayun! Ayun pala siya. Wait lang. Ayun! Okay na. Okay na. So, this one, 2 at the front. So, you got 2 chairs.
That's only $12.
$12. What one do you want? No.
Or can na? Ah, is it the same?
What do you mean?
Can. Ay, dili ha kani oh. Kani oh. At least pwede ka maka-grill din ha. Or do you want?
Ano Napay mas gamay pa.
But this is nice. This is nice. Single burner ang nag-sale. With hot plate and pot set. Kani siya twin stove lang. Kani apil na niya. Apil na siya. Kani. Asa kanita?
Ay, gusto ka ng medyo gamay rin siya.
Okay naman siya ko. Kasi same naman siya. Ang nakaano lang ani is na lang siya plate na. Pero di naman nato kailangan nag-plate. Oo. Gana naman tayo. Di tayo nakadibal natin sisigan. Asa tong plate for sisig? Asa kanila lang.
You want this one? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Kaysa sa isa?
I don't know. It's up to you. Oo.
Pero 4 pack man siya.
4 pack
kasi
for
$6
six.
na ni tanan.
Really? Okay, let's try. Okay.
Wow, dalit na rin. So,
Wanna have fun.
so guys, we're getting this one. Because, mahilig kami magluto.
Yes.
So, we're gonna cook some soup. And then we're gonna cook some, like... So, di ito magdala griller.
Do you griller na? I think no need. Kay it's too much na. The griller is good.
Depende kung gusto tayo mag-grill lang, pamit-biton. Pero kailangan na ito taas na lamisaan.
You wanna try na?
Kung isa lang sa...
Okay lang. But then, if the ending mag-dual burner ka, 24. Eh, pero actually, mas barato siya. 25. Doon ka buko na ni.
Hindi mo po lagi. Pero cute lang siya tanaw.
Sige ka na lang. Eh, dalo na lang kayo na to dito balik. Tara, dalo na lang. Butang dala.
Pero-
Mangita na lang taog. Table. Table na lang magod ang kailangan. Sige na, ano na. Hey, art to cart. Hinok. So, look. Got it. That's it for now. We got everything for only 148.91. Yeah. We are excited for camping. Are you excited for camping? Are you? So we're at Aldi, still looking for camping things. Look.
Okay na siguro nila.
I think so, yeah.
Ano na?
$9. And then we bought the fan. Fan is magkano ang fan? $10? Is it? I don't know. 25. Fan.
10 ha.
Sampu. Is this solar? No. And bibili ng mga ilalagay sa box. Uy, tape pala. Ooh, this is what I wanted for them. Wala na tong ano no, crackers lang. We're home and this is the camping gear that we bought. This one I bought this online for beach. And a tent. Heavy duty part. A table. A tent fan. Butane. And dual butane. What else? Rope. Tent pegs. Don't forget your off kung malamok. And our chairs and our camping table. Portable. Abangan for the next episode for our camping. Bye!